Today, we're diving into the fantastic world of baking soda. You might know it as a kitchen staple, but did you know that it has a multitude of other uses beyond baking? In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of baking soda and show you how to use it in various ways. Benefits of baking soda. As natural deodorant. Baking soda can work wonders as a natural deodorant. It helps neutralize odors and keeps you feeling fresh. Simply apply a pinch to your underarms and voila! You're good to go. As teeth whitener. Want a brighter smile? Baking soda can help. Mix a small amount with water to create a paste, and gently brush your teeth. It's a cost-effective way to whiten your teeth without harmful chemicals. As heartburn relief. If you're suffering from heartburn, baking soda can help neutralize stomach acid. Just mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly for relief. As exfoliating scrub. Baking soda is an excellent ingredient for a DIY exfoliating scrub. It removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. For a natural skin exfoliant, mix a teaspoon of baking soda with your favorite cleanser or a few drops of water. Gently massage the mixture onto your face using circular motions, then rinse thoroughly. As cleaning powerhouse. Baking soda is a versatile cleaner. It can tackle stains, odors, and grease in your kitchen, bathroom, and more. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. The content we've discussed is based on general knowledge and personal experiences. Please note that individual experiences may vary, and what works for one person might not work the same way for another. If you have any health concerns, specific questions, or are considering using baking soda for a particular purpose, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or expert for personalized guidance. So, there you have it, folks. Baking soda isn't just for baking, it's a versatile household item with incredible benefits. From personal care to cleaning, baking soda can save you money and make your life easier. Have you tried any of these baking soda hacks we've talked about? Or maybe you have your own fantastic baking soda tips to share? Don't be shy, drop your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.